Good night. My name is Edgar Alonso Perez. Age: I'm 33 years old. Occupation: I work on a drilling platform. Um, Marital status: I live in Free Union. Uh, Birthplace: born in the municipality Sogamoso department of Boyacá. Family: my family is made up of my mom, Nubia Perez, my brother, Cesar Mauricio Perez, my sister, Carmen Lucía Perez, my wife, Edna Cárdenas, and my son, Edgar Steven Perez. Personality: I am happy person, hardworking, persevering, um, in a bad mood sometimes. Likes and dislikes. Likes: I like soccer, good movies, food, and sincerity. Dislikes: I do not like pack people, worldwide, low people, and ketchup. Daily routine: my daily routine during the shift: I wake up early to works. I study in afternoon, and I go to bed early on the days of rest. Work all the time to share with my family. Okay.